Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.2.08 Features selected on the elevation sheets. Buttons on the elevation pedestal sheet switch to the project dimensions sheet. Click the button labeled DMNS S_1 capital O, capital A, located in cells AK16 through AZ17, and you are prompted to enter the Section 1 overall dimensions starting in cell Q26 through U26, the quantity, on the project dimensions sheet. Until feature dimensions are input on the project dimensions sheet, the cost of that feature will not be calculated correctly or not calculated at all on the respective cost workup sheet. If an error is made, repeat the instructions example. If you see dimensions that are wrong, correct them. If you see invalid entries, remove them. The cost calculated will be incorrect if the dimensions are wrong. When entering values in the cell on the project dimensions sheet, do not enter them into the cells that contain formulae. Dimensions are always listed and entered with first, followed by depth, then height of section, then height accumulated, and last is the quantity. This example 1.2.08 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.2.08.